Good morning, my dear children. How are you doing? Today, we will be doing a new topic opposites. Do you know what are opposites? Okay, let me tell you. Opposites are the things that are different from each other. एक चीज से बिल्कुल उल्टा. जब दो चीजें एक दूसरे से बिल्कुल डिफरेंट होती हैं, बिल्कुल अलग होती हैं, उनको हम ऑपोजिट्स कहते हैं. जैसे कोई चीज बिल्कुल छोटी है, उससे बिल्कुल डिफरेंट क्या होगा? बिग. यस, सी, अ स्मॉल बॉल, अ बिग बॉल, है ना? तो ये क्या हो गया? एक दूसरे से बिल्कुल डिफरेंट. ये दोनों एक दूसरे से क्या है? बिल्कुल डिफरेंट हैं. ठीक है, बिल्कुल अलग हैं. Let me tell you more about opposites with some examples, and then you will be knowing what are opposites. Come with me. Here you can see two bowls full of candies. But in the first bowl you can see so many candies. है ना? देखो इसमें कितनी सारी candies हैं. But in the second bowl there are very less candies. See? इसमें देखो कितनी थोड़ी सी candies हैं. है ना? So there are more candies in this bowl and there are less candies in this bowl. So opposite of more is less. Speak up. More, less. Now here you can see two cars. See? This is the one car and this is the another car. Now tell me which is the bigger one? Yes, this is the bigger one and this is the smaller one, right? So this is the big car and this is small car. So opposite of big is small. Speak up. Big, small. See children, here you can see a cup of hot tea, right? And here is a glass of cold coffee. So now here we can see a cup of hot tea and a glass of cold coffee. So what is the opposite of hot? Cold. Speak up. Hot, cold. Very good. Now see children, here are two glasses. One glass is full of water and the other one is empty. See, there is nothing. So, full, empty. Opposite of full is empty. Speak up. Full. You can see there is water in the glass. है ना? It is full of water. So, speak up. Full, empty. Yes, children. Now tell me, where is the pen? The pen is in the pen stand. Okay, now tell me, where is the pen? The pen is out of the pen stand. Yes. So, in, out. What is the opposite of in? Out. Yes. Here you can see a cup of tea and an ice cream. You know, tea is hot and ice cream is cold. So opposite of hot is cold. Can you tell me who are they? Yes, they are your favorite Motu and Patlu. You know, Motu is fat and Patlu is thin. Motu मोटा है और पतलू पतला है. Opposite of fat is thin. Next, here is a black dog and a white dog. Opposite of black is white. Speak up. Black, white. See, here are two boys. देखो एक boy लंबा है और एक छोटा है ना, short है. One boy is tall and the other is short. Tall, short. Speak up. Speak after me बच्चे. Tall, short. Here you can see two balls. One ball is bigger in size and the other is small in size. So big, small. The boy is young. The man is old. Opposite of young is old. Young, old. Here you can see two boys. One boy is very happy as he has won the trophy, but the other boy is not happy as he hasn't won the trophy. So, happy, sad. Speak up. Happy, sad. One girl is getting up as it's morning time, but the other girl is going to sleep as it's night time. So, opposite of day is night. Day, night. Here, two boys are there, and one boy is holding an umbrella in his hand. Why he is holding an umbrella? Because it's raining, but the other boy doesn't have an umbrella. So the other boy is getting wet. वो गीला हो रहा है क्योंकि उसके पास अम्ब्रेला नहीं है. So speak up, dry, wet. Children, write down date and day and write down the heading of opposites. So now let us start. Write down Betu number 1 here. Big. Capital B I G. Big. Now tell me, what is the opposite of big? Small. Very good. Write down small. Capital S M A L L. Small. Big. Small. Number 2. In. I-N. In. Tell me the opposite of in. In. Out. Yes. Write down. O-U-T. Out. In. Out. Number 3. Up. U-P. Up. Up. Down. Very good. D-O-W-N. Down. Up. Down. Number 4. Fat. F-A-T. Fat. Fat. Thin. T-H-I-N. Thin. Fat. Thin. Number 5. Happy. H-A-P-P-Y. Happy. Happy. Sad. S-A-D. Sad. Happy. Sad. Number 6. Black. B-L-A-C-K. Black. Black. White. Very good. W-H-I-T-E. White. Black. White. Number 7. Tall. T-A-L-L. Tall. Tall. Short. S-H-O-R-T. Short. Tall. Short. Number 8. Open. O-P-E-N. Open. Open. Close. C-L-O-S-E. Close. Open. Close. Number 9. Hot. H-O-T. hot, cold. C-O-L-D, cold. Hot, cold. Number 10, clean. C-L-E-A-N, clean. Clean, dirty. D-I-R-T-Y, dirty. Clean, dirty. Yes, children, now write down number 11. Now write down beta wet. W-E-T, wet. Tell me the opposite of wet. Dry. Yes. Write down dry. D-R-Y, dry. Wet, dry. Now number 12. Old. O-L-D, old. Old, new. N-E-W, new. Old, new. Number 13. Night. N-I-G-H-T, night. Day. D-A-Y, day. Night, day. Number 14. Push. P-U-S-H, push, pull. P-U-L-L, pull. Push, pull. Number 15 is more. M-O-R-E, more. Less. L-E-S-S, less. More, less. Now children, let us revise all the opposites once more. Big, small. In, out. Up, down. Fat, thin. Happy, sad. Black, white. Tall, short. Open, close. Hot, cold. Clean, dirty. Wet, dry. Old, new. Night, day. Push, pull. More, less. So, dear students, you are to write down all the opposites in your notebooks. Better remember one thing, that here you are to write down the first alphabet in capital letter. Okay? Here also and here also. Okay, beta? Thank you. Bye-bye.